Creating a Kanban board in Excel allows you to visually manage tasks and workflows using columns and cards. Here's how to set it up effectively. Create columns. Start by creating columns representing different stages of your workflow. Each column represents a step in your process. Add cards. In each column, create cells or shapes to represent tasks or work items. Each cell or shape represents a task that needs to be completed. Label and organize. Label each card with a task name or ID and any relevant details. You can use adjacent cells for task descriptions, deadlines, assignees, etc. Color code. Use Excel's formatting options to color code cards based on priority, status, or other criteria. This helps visually differentiate tasks and highlight important information. Update and move tasks. As tasks progress through your workflow, move the corresponding card to the appropriate column. Use filters and sorting. Excel allows you to filter and sort data. Utilize these features to prioritize tasks, track progress, or focus on specific categories of work. Share and collaborate. Share the Excel file with your team via cloud storage or collaboration tools. Ensure everyone understands how to update and maintain the Kanban board.